Greetings, here are the updates on banking and finance for 7th September 2024. The Indian stock markets witnessed a significant sell-off. The Sensex plunged by over 1,000 points, closing at 81,200, while the Nifty fell below the key 25,000 mark, ending at 24,800. Major financial stocks, including SBI and ICICI Bank, were among the biggest losers the day's trading session, with SBI shares dropping over 4%. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced new guidelines aimed at improving transparency in the digital lending space. The central bank has mandated that all digital lending platforms must disclose their annual percentage rates to borrowers. In the global markets, the US Federal Reserve is expected to begin cutting interest rates later this month in response to rising unemployment figures. The Fed's anticipated move is expected to impact global liquidity and could provide some relief to emerging markets like India, where inflation remains a concern. Synergy Green Industries reported a 16% surge in its share prices today after securing an order worth 163 crore rupees from Vestas Wind Systems, boosting confidence in India's renewable energy sector. In tech and finance, artificial intelligence continues to transform the banking sector. A recent report highlights the growing adoption of AI-based tools to enhance fraud detection and streamline operations. Industry leaders expect a 20% reduction in operational costs by 2025, driven by the AI revolution in banking. Lastly, the International Monetary Fund has projected India's GDP to grow at 6.3% in 2024, making it one of the fastest-growing economies globally. This comes amid a backdrop of slowing global growth and challenges in key markets like China. Stay tuned for more updates from the world of finance and markets.